We are
Siddharthians.
We are
Siddharthians.
We will respect our parents, teachers and elders. Our college motto is humanity, discipline and education. If you follow these three, then you will be in flying colors. Okay? Thank you all.
Thank you so much for your motivational words, madam. What is our college motto? Humanity, discipline, education. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I request Mrs. Triveni Kanchana Garu, Principal of Siddhartha Women's Degree College. Madam, unique awesomeness and positive energy inspire confidence in others. I request Triveni Kanchana ma'am to please motivate students by her speech.
So good morning to all the young freshers, energetic and colorful freshers, and my colleagues and faculty members, our beloved Principal Madam Goldri Garu and my friend Salma Sultana, and some of the directors are not able to make it. I think my Freshers Day will be very soon for you. So it is generally called as Providence. So on that day you will see the entire team of Siddhartha. And you can also come out with your, multi-talents. So anyhow, initially I just want to congratulate all of you that you have taken the best decision to join in Siddhartha College. To gain here, how you have to prepare yourself for the industry. You have to become ready for the industry, ready for your career, ready. You have, identified yourself as what? You are all from now onwards called as Siddharthians. As Madam was saying that you are Siddharthians. This tag is not a simple tag. This is a very, very important tag because all your seniors, your super seniors carry this tag and they are doing excellent work in the industry round. I can say proudly that almost any company you name, our Siddhartha students are there in that company. Not only in the private sector, in the faculty members. These faculty members are there from the beginning of the institution. They are the backbones.
Claps.
And if 8 Usman University gold medals have come, you don't think it has just happened just like that. It is because of the subjective knowledge of the faculty, not only subject. They also give you a lot of ideas which will because I don't want to take because you have got a lot to learn from your faculty members also. They have got a lot of experience and they have got a lot of insights in how can they guide the students. So take inputs from them too and modify your life in these 3 years. I wish you all great luck.
Thank you so much, madam, for your motivational words. Mrs. Salma Sultana Garu, Principal of Siddhartha Degree College Co-Education. Madam's continuous support and guidance is helping students to achieve big results. I request Salma Sultana ma'am to speak few words on this occasion.
Respected Madam, Goldri Madam, Principal Siddhartha Degree College for Women, my friend Triveni Kanchana, Principal and Placement Officer, Siddhartha Women's Degree College, my dear faculty and my dear students. I welcome you all for the orientation session. Congratulations for getting admission in Siddhartha College. I welcome you all into the Siddhartha family. I would like to start with a brief history of our college. It was founded in the year 1994 and has received an excellent response in the field of academics to this day. It offers more than 50 courses for shaping the future of our young minds. You will developing here knowledge and skills and habits of learning and adopting new ideas. You will not only learn, but you will also be guided along your path to a brighter future. I encourage all the students to participate in extracurricular activities, build networking skills, and interact with the seniors and learn from them. We are here to guide you, to support you, and I am sure by the end of your curriculum, you will come out to be a better version of yourselves. as you begin this new academic session, help you reach full potential and achieve your goals. One of my top priorities is to ensure that our students receive a high quality education by working closely with our teaching faculty to implement the effective teaching strategies and support.
जब मैं आकाश में देखता हूँ तो तारे नजर आते हैं। जब मैं आकाश में देखता हूँ तो तारे नजर आते हैं, तारे चमकते नजर आते हैं। फिर दोबारा मैं सिद्धार्था में देखता हूँ तो अब गुलदस्ते नजर आते हैं। अब गुलदस्ते हैं, तो गुलदस्तों में बाहर लाने वाले प्यारे प्यारे फूल है, तो फूलों में महकने वाली खुशबू आप में ही है। तो ज्ञान हम देते हैं, आपको लेना है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call my colleague Sangeeta ma'am from the Department of English to please come onto the dais and speak few words.
Very good morning, everyone. All beautiful butterflies, how are you all?
మీకు ఎంతవరకు అవసరమో అంతవరకే సెల్ ఫోన్ యూజ్ చేయండి. మీరు మిమ్మల్ని సెల్ ఫోన్ కంట్రోల్ చేయొద్దు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు కంట్రోల్ ది సెల్ ఫోన్. దట్ ఈస్ మై అడ్వైస్ స్టూడెంట్స్. These 3 years, if you work hard, your life will be beautiful. If you are not working hard, if you are not setting your goals, then your life will be miserable after these 3 years. Don't distract from the studies. What
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ అయిపోయి డిగ్రీకి వచ్చారు. ఇంటర్ వరకు కూడా మీరు స్టూడెంట్స్ చిన్న పిల్లలాగా పేరెంట్స్ మిమ్మల్ని కేర్ చేస్తారు. డిగ్రీకి రాగానే మీరు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారు, పెద్దలం అయిపోయాం ఇంకా మనకేంటి అని చెప్పి అలా భావిస్తారు. కానీ డిగ్రీకి వచ్చినా కూడా మీరు ఫిక్స్ అయి పిల్లలే. ఓకే, డిగ్రీకి వచ్చాం కదా మనం పెద్దలం అయిపోయాం, ఎవరికి రెస్పెక్ట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు అని చెప్పి అలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. చూస్తాం అలాంటి పిల్లల్ని. కాబట్టి అలా ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఉండదు. అందరికీ కూడా రెస్పెక్ట్, ముఖ్యంగా ఇంట్లో పేరెంట్స్. ఓకే, మనకి పుట్టిన దగ్గర నుంచి కూడా గురువులు ఎవరు, ఫస్ట్ మొదటి గురువు ఎవరు, మన పేరెంట్స్. వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన మాట విని, అదేవిధంగా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పరంగా మనం కాలేజ్కి స్కూల్స్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఉండేది నెక్స్ట్ గురువులు, టీచర్స్. ఓకే, వాళ్ళు చెప్పింది విని బాగా అయితే ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాసిన తర్వాత చదువుకున్న తర్వాత ఒక ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాసి పాస్ అయ్యారా ఫెయిల్ అయ్యారా అని చెప్పి తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఎగ్జామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ కౌరవులకి పాండవులకి కూడా విలువిద్యలన్నింటినీ నేర్పించిన తర్వాత ద్రోణాచార్యుడు పరీక్ష పెట్టడం కోసమని అడవికి తీసుకెళ్తాడు. తీసుకెళ్లి ఒక చెట్టుకి ఒక ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ బర్డ్ పక్షిని పెట్టేసి దాని కన్నుకు తగిలే విధంగా కొట్టమని చెప్పి చెప్తాడు. చెప్తే అప్పుడు కౌరవులు పాండవులు నేను కొడతా నేను ముందు అని చెప్పి అందరూ వచ్చి కొడతారు. కొట్టడానికి చూస్తూ ఉండగా ద్రోణాచార్యుడు అడుగుతాడు, మీకు ఏం కనబడుతుంది అని చెప్పి అడిగితే ధర్మరాజు నుంచి కూడా అందరూ కూడా ఏం కనబడుతుంది అంటే పక్షి కనబడుతుంది, చుట్టూ పక్కన చెట్టు కనబడుతుంది, కొమ్మలు కనబడుతున్నాయి, నీరు కనబడుతున్నారు అని చెప్పి చెప్తారు. కానీ చివరిలో అర్జునుడు నేను కొడతా అని చెప్పి వెళ్ళి అర్జునుడు కొట్ట
Good body like this. One pose.
Smile. Choppa.
It is good to see you all come here with so many aspirations and wishes. I hope they all come true. And once again, thank you all the best.
Narendra sir, our senior most faculty.
Everyone, I am mathematics faculty Narendra. Welcome all freshers into Siddhartha family. Congratulations to all freshers. Day's work in weekly at 4-wheeler, 3 triple bedroom flat, 2 cute children, and wife for us. Okay, and zero tensions. So it is very important in my life.
Thank you so much for the invitation. Now I request from Computer Department, Sirisha ma'am. Please come into the dance. Good morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, Rodri ma'am, Triveni ma'am and Salma Sundaram ma'am. I am Sirisha, faculty of Computer Science. One thing I want to tell you girls, as I am faculty of Computer Science, everyone feels that computers means writing lines of code or else building a software. But today the computer is used for solving many real world problems. That is from artificial intelligence to cyber security, games, finance, business, health. So in each and every field, the computer becomes a part of our modern life. So from now onwards, try to develop your skills in critical thinking, problem solving. And one more thing, never stop asking why and how. These two questions is only gives all the answers for you. All the best for your future, girls.
Thank you, ma'am. Our supporting staff is distributing refreshments for you. Please maintain silence, and I request student volunteers to please take care of the discipline and see that everyone receive the refreshments. And a Savanya distribution for all the freshers. I want to call B. Kavita ma'am from the Department of Computer Science to please come up to the desk and speak few words. The Department of Computer Science to please come up to the desk and address the students.
Good morning, Monica. Can you please pay attention towards to me? Please. Myself, Sumant Kumar, Department of Computer Science, having 21 years of teaching experience. Before my speech, respected Principal Madam, Siddhartha Gurukul Institution, and Triveni Madam and Salma Madam and all my other faculty members. See, I want to ask one question from my side. If you can listen to me, then you can give me answer. Can you please pay attention? How many have mobiles with you now? Please raise your hands. How many of you have mobiles with you? Please give me a response. How many of you have mobiles with you? Please raise a little bit